In last video of ascending triangle, we have discussed about two cases. That is, the first case is, suppose this is the resistance and this is the trend line. The first case is, if it break upside, then after the retest we can make entry here. And the second second case is, suppose this is the resistance and again this is the trend line. If market break downside and after retest I can make an entry. I also give the live chart example. If you not watched the previous ascending triangle price action video, please go and watch it. Now let me show you the real time example. Yesterday we only have this much data until this date. We only have the data until this date. The date is nothing but, let me show you, the date is 2nd November. If you check last video, we don't have the 3rd November data, but now we have the 3rd November data because I'm recording today and the last I'm recording the video at 3rd November, but the last video I recorded at 2nd November. Now let's, in yesterday only, what I told you, suppose if market open here and if it break upside, then I will make an entry at the upside position. If you not watch the last video, then I am again telling you, please go and watch what I told you. If it move here upside, then after retest I will make an entry here for the upside. If you observe here, let me zoom in properly, just a minute. If you observe here, you will get to know that one market broken the upside, that's not an issue, but it failed at retest but not able to move upside. So what was my entry point? Market broke upside, come down. So this one is my entry point. If market took support here and again move back, then I will make entry here. But in this case, is it happened? No, but it broken the resistance, right? So what I did today is, market broken the trend line at downside instead of upside. This second case is happened here. So as our rules, what we need to do, after breakout we need to wait for one retest, and after retest we need to enter at here. Now if you check 5 minutes, you will get to know that there is nothing a clear retest until here. Let retest or the best swing, here you will get enough profit. So what I did is, I am pretty much comfortable with the 1 minute chart. So what I did is, I shifted my time frame to 1 minute in the live chart because I'm always checking 1 minute and 5 minutes. So once market broken this trend line, let me adjust the trend line a little bit so that you will understand. Because of the zoom in and zoom out problem of this broker app, this is happening. Just a minute. Now what's happening is, market broken this trend line. Let me cross check again the trend line. Let me adjust it. We need to adjust the trend line little bit here because of we shifted the time frame. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just bear with me, friend. I'm extremely sorry about the delay because of some technical issues here. Now it's done. Now what we need to do, as I discussed earlier, within 1 minute what I did is, market broken this trend line. Market broken this trend line, right? Here broken this trend line. As per rule, after breaking trend line, it need to be retest, and after retest, when it come down, we need to make an entry. So what I did, I had make an entry at this position. I also updated this price action into my Telegram channel. Okay. Now what I did, I made an entry here. But what is our target? As discussed in the last video, I just zoomed out little bit and I need to check the target. So my first target was this one. But it directly gone for falling. So what I did, I booked some profit at this line only when it come back to retest. But what I did, again I re-entered at this breakout because come down, I booked a profit somewhere around in this zone. Then again market trying to break the low, so I make entry here. So I made entry here, and market moved downside. Then what is my expected target after second entry? After second entry, let me cross check. After second entry, my second target was the last swing. The last swing is nothing but this area, right? This area is our last swing. So at this position, I booked all of my lots, all the profit. Then again from this zone only market start moving upside and but again fault. This is about the Nifty Bank, which is one of the index listed in the Indian Stock Exchange. So the purpose of this video is whatever I discussed in the last video about the ascending triangle. If you go and watch once again that video, you will get to know that what I told. I will always here got the breakout, but I not traded because within 1 minute candle also after retest it never came, it never moved upside, but at the breakout it moved upside and it also gone, it's created some price action, right? Fall, retested and breakout. Again this type of price action is a safer one, and I am always following this type of price action and booked a very good profit. That's the purpose of this video, to show you the glimpse of how market is working and how to analyze. So yesterday only I told you I am going to do this because I have the plan, and today happened, same thing happened, and I got a good amount because I am pretty much clear with my understanding. That understanding you also need to develop. Hope you all got my point. Let's continue with our other price actions. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.